Hello and welcome to National Weather Service Missoula planning briefing for Sunday, October 8th. Key points going through the next week. The warm weather is going to last into Monday. Then a cold front will arrive by Monday evening. It's going to bring an increase in west-southwesterly winds, and it's going to bring cooler and wet conditions for Tuesday and Wednesday. Quick look at our weather threat matrix before we move on and take a look at the satellite imagery. You can see all the cloud cover moving eastward in the northern Pacific associated with our next weather system that's going to be moving in. Again, Monday evening, and then rain lasting into Tuesday and Wednesday as well. We'll see those increase in winds, especially as that front starts to move through, which will be in the Monday evening time frame to the western areas here in north central Idaho. You can see between 3 and 6 p.m., 15 to 20 mile per hour wind gusts, pretty widespread, and 20 to 25 miles per hour wind gusts there as well. And then 6 to 9 p.m., still seeing 15 to 20 miles per hour on those wind speeds. Again, some gusts up to about 25 will be possible as this front moves through, but the strongest wind gust will be with that actual frontal passage. Going to see some precipitation with this system as well. In fact, pretty high confidence that most places are going to pick up at least 1/10 of an inch. This map here is the probability of seeing a 1/4 inch of precipitation. You see most of western Montana is 60 to 70% chance of seeing a 1/4 inch. A lot of north central Idaho is actually in the 90 to 100% range. And then Lemhi County is right around 50 to 70% chance of the 1/4 inch. So looking at what the higher amounts could be, this is the 75th percentile precipitation amounts. So this would be about what we'd expect on the high end of potential. So most likely precipitation amounts will stay below what you see on this graphic, but that shows most of western Montana in that 4/10 of an inch to a 1/2 inch of precipitation. Lemhi County more in the 3/10 to 4/10, and a lot of north central Idaho approaching that 1 inch mark, again on the higher side of potential with this system. Snow levels on Wednesday morning, they're going to be down 63 to 6,500 feet primarily across the region. So mainly a backcountry thing where it will be cold and raw conditions with those snow levels coming down. So certainly something to be aware of, but likely not an impact for our major mountain passes as those snow levels are going to stay again above 62 to 6,300 feet. Behind the front, going to see those cooler temperatures. See low 60s, upper 50s on Tuesday, and then those high temperatures on Wednesday, even cooler, low to mid 50s. And you see a lot of southwest Montana seeing highs in the upper 40s on Wednesdays. Factor in the rainfall, and it's going to be a cool and wet day on Wednesday. Now, after this system moves out, which we'll see that on Thursday, Friday and into the weekend, we are actually favoring warmer temperatures once again as high pressure comes back. That's the 6 to 10 day temperature outlook. You can see the above average temperatures are being favored. And in the same time period here, we are seeing that the 6 to 10 day precipitation outlook is favoring drier than normal conditions. So after a wet few days here in the middle of the week, the end of the week and into the weekend is looking warmer and drier. However, not quite as warm as the past weekend that we've experienced. So we want to thank you for listening here. Our next briefing is planned for Thursday, October 12th. If you have any questions, you can email us or give us a call.